Good day, everyone. I would like to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like and subscribe. In this course, I will be teaching you the basics you need to get started with JavaScript. So, JavaScript is a programming language. A programming language which was initially created to create websites. So, JavaScript was made to create websites. And in the website, it was initially made to work on the client side. Now, what is the client side? A client side is what you are seeing when you're logging into the website. The client side is mostly dominated by HTML and CSS, but HTML is the structure, then CSS is the styling of the website. But JavaScript is the functioning behind that client side. It's mostly in the back end. And the function JavaScripts work on the functions that you have on that client side. But over the years, JavaScript has evolved to also work as a server-side language. It now can go on and works on the server. Now, if we talk about a server-side language, I would make an example. For instance, if you log into a school website, you put in your details into that login page. A server-side language will take your details. It will go to the database. In the database, it will look for your details there. If it cannot find your details, it will come back to you and say insufficient details or please sign up. Then when you go and sign up, you will sign up, it will take your details and go store them in the database. When you log in again, it will allow you and it will head to the HTML file. So that's the server. We can take a server side as a waiter. If you are sitting in a restaurant, you are ordering something, it will go to the kitchen. If it's not there, it will come back to you and say it's not there. So you cannot eat that thing at that particular time. But over the years, JavaScript has developed what we call web applications. So you can do web applications with JavaScript. Now, web applications are apps that run on the web. For an example, if you don't have Facebook in your phone as an installed mobile app, what you do is that you log into the browser, you type in Facebook and you put in your details. It will take you to Facebook, but Facebook that runs on the web. So those are web applications, apps that you can generate on the web. So you can use the frameworks of JavaScript such as Vue.js, React, or Angular to develop web applications. But over the course of the years, JavaScript is also able to develop mobile applications. Now, in mobile application, I want to emphasize it uses React Native. Now, this is one of the special things in JavaScript. Mainly when you're developing applications, you must use two different kinds of languages for the two operating systems. For an Android and also an iOS, you must use different kinds of languages. For Android, you must use Java or Kotlin. Then for iOS, you initially used to use C, but now you use Swift. So in developing apps, you should have two types of developers. But with JavaScript, you don't need two types of developers. React Native is friendly in both operating systems. So you can develop an Android app or an iOS app using one language, which is JavaScript. Now, on this course, I will be teaching you the basics of vanilla JavaScript. which is the basic JavaScript. The JavaScript you need in order to take yourself into developing websites, web application, and also to mobile apps. So let's meet on the next videos. Hope you enjoy. What I want you to say to you is that you must enjoy the course, take your time, enjoy the journey. Thank you.